All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. For a special guest appearance here today, we got some visitors from Lakota. Are you guys both from Lakota East? Oh, even better. Lakota South, as it should be called. No idea why they titled it that. All right, well, we're here with our special guest from Lakota West and Macy, and we're going to figure out this problem because it's a great problem, and it's on your exam. We're trying to determine the coordinates of the centroid, and we are not going to estimate. And I can tell you, I think this is a really nasty answer, if my memory serves me right, meaning it's going to involve like some fractions. I'm not sure, but I don't think the one on the exam has such nasty answers. Okay, so in order to find the centroid, we've got to find out where the medians intersect. So let's start by finding out points A, B, and C. So what's point A, Mace? Does that look right to you? Okay, 4, 0. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C is negative 4, 8, 8, sorry. And B, did you get B yet? 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. All right, now look, like everything else, I'm going to make tons of mistakes. So you guys got to catch them, or else this video is going to take probably 12 minutes to make. All right, so let's find the midpoint of AC, Macy. We'll do that pretty quickly. We'll just do it in our head. Negative 4 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so that's going to be helpful because that's going to be the y-intercept of that point. Okay, 8 plus 0 divided by 2. So that is the point 0, 4, and it matches up. That's what I meant by not not assuming that anything was where it was on the graph. Because I'm telling you, on your exam, there's no graph paper. Okay, let's find the midpoint of AB. Looks like negative 1. You got to double check me on all those. Okay? This will help the video speed up a little bit. And I don't think we're going to need all three of them, but we might as well find them. Negative 6 plus negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 5, comma 2. Does that look right to you? Okay, so what we're going to want to do is figure out the equation. Let's get it right. Oh. We're going to want to figure out the equation of the black line. I'm trying to use the points that involve 0, Gabby, or Macy. God, why am I doing that all of a sudden? Because I think the ones that involve 0 might be a little easier to use. So we want to find the equation of the black line and the equation of the green line. So what do we need to know to find the equation of a line? We do need the slope. So what's the slope of the black line? It's 4 minus negative 4. So no, that's 8, right? Positive 8 over 0 minus negative 6. And that definitely looks like it's a positive slope, so that's good. So the black slope is 4/3. And we're going to use the point 0, 4 because that's actually the y-intercept. All right, now let's go for the green slope. 0 minus 2. And 4 minus negative 5, positive 9, right? And that's fine. Hey, I'm the one calling you by the wrong name. So negative 2/9, and the point we'll use for that, I think we'll use the point 4, 0. Yeah, but we can't assume that that's 0, 1. That's my point. I know, so we're going to have to do some work, okay? Macy and I are arguing about whether or not we should use the point 0, 1 because it's the y-intercept. If we knew that was on the line, that we would definitely use it, but we don't know that it's on the line. So what's the equation of our black line, Macy? Excellent. Now, I'll do you a little bit of reminding. There's this point slope form that you guys hated, but as it turns out, it's kind of nice sometimes. So that says y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Do you recognize that? Okay, so that's why you learned it. Remember that one, Tara? So you get y equals negative 2/9 x plus 8/9. Oh, by the way, Tara came over to Lakota West and dominated your Rose Holman competition, overall champion. All right, back to live action. Hi, Marissa. So, Macy, all we got to do to find the centroid is find the intersection of those two lines. Do you know how to do that? Okay. Well, we just got to find the only point, x comma y, that they have in common. And to do that, you just solve a system of equations. These both have something equal to y. So if two things equal the same thing, then they set equal to each other. That's just transitive, which you learned this year. 4/3 x plus 4 equals negative 2/9 x plus 8/9. I'm going to multiply everything by 9 because I hate fractions. So when I multiply this by 9, it's going to be 9 times 4 is 36 divided by 3. I get 12x. 9 times 4 is 36. The 9s will cancel over there. Negative 2x plus 8. Isn't that so much nicer? Okay. Add 2x, you get 14x. Subtract 36. What's 8 minus 36? Negative 28. Oh, look at that. I thought this one was nasty, but maybe I'm wrong. Divide each side by 14. And you get x equals negative 2. Plug it back into either one. I'll pick that one. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So y equals negative 8/3 plus 4. 4 is 12/3. So you get negative 8/3 plus 12/3. So it's 4/3. So our point, our centroid, is negative 2, comma 4/3. And if you happen to have time left on your exam, always check, does that answer look like it makes sense? But does it look like it's negative 2 comma something? Yeah, I feel really good about that. Good? Boom!